Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Braintree Client Tokens in mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Braintree Client Tokens in mobile apps, start by setting up your Braintree account. Log in to your Braintree dashboard. Navigate to the API section to obtain your client credentials. Generate a new client token using your server-side code. Choose the programming language you're using for your mobile app. Use the appropriate Braintree SDK for your platform, such as iOS or Android. Initialize the Braintree client in your app. Integrate the client token you generated earlier into your app's code. Ensure your app requests the client token from your backend securely. Implement the payment form using the Braintree SDK. Customize the payment options according to your app's needs. Test the payment flow thoroughly in a sandbox environment. Monitor logs and error messages during testing for troubleshooting. Once everything works in the sandbox, prepare your app for production. Switch the client token generation to use your live credentials. Deploy your updated app to the App Store or distribute it to users. Continue to monitor payments and any potential issues post-launch. Stay updated with Braintree's documentation for any new features or modifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.